Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want to see anything with Mr. Belle cooking on that video, that's all you had to do. Scroll down. You can find just about anything you want to learn how to cook in this Power XL. Especially my first time viewers watching and everything. Wonder what can they cook and everything. You cook just about anything. Today I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. Today these right here are some beef taquitos. A lot of people put them in a microwave and eat them with sauce and everything. So my kids was eating these, putting them in a microwave and everything. And so I was just wondering, I say, oh, I'm going to take some of these and put them in the Power XL, and I'm going to just bake them. Put a little sauce on them, a little cheese, a little onions, and they are going to be delicious. So what I'm going to do, my ingredients going to be these beef taquitos. I'm going to spray this pan right here with a little olive oil, just like that, just a little. You can also use a round pan, square pan. If it fit inside the Power XL, you can put it inside the other one. That's all you have to do is raise it up. And if you're doing some baking and everything, you just sit this pan right in there. Instead of messing up everything inside, you can take this pan out, set it on the table, and just get your food out of this pan right here. I made a dish or someone left a comment and say they didn't know they can put a pan in. So if you want your pie to come out still nice and round, you can sit that whole pie pan in and do it in the Power XL. I'll be demonstrating on the pie. I will be baking a pie pretty soon. So in the meantime, I'm going to get back to what I was doing. So you can also do that too. So I say the olive oil spray, I sprayed my pan. I chop up some nice good green onions, and I have a little sauce. You can use any kind of sauce you want, enchilada sauce or whatever. And I grate my own cheese, Malatot sharp cheese. So I grate that myself. You can do this in the oven or the Power XL. Which one is quicker to you, you can do it. So in the meantime, I'm going to get started, and I'm just going to take some of these out right here. Take a bunch of these out, and I'm going to sit it in the pan just like this. And sit this in just like that. You just sit them in like that. Nice and good and everything. These right here are going to be delicious for the kids just to knick-knack on. Or, you know, the football coming on this weekend, you can have this and sit it out on the tray right here and watch them Chiefs go. And I'm going to just sit this just like that. And it'll be looking something like this. This is what it'll be looking like once you put it in the pan. You know Mr. Bell going to take you step by step. So I'm going to put this to the side, everything, and we're going to get started. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start setting this on bake. I'm going to put it on bake. As you see, it's on bake. And I'm going to set the temperature for 350. Temperature going to be 350. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to set the minutes. I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. Set it for 5 minutes. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to press start. Press start and everything. So what I'm going to do, you can put it in while it's on preheat, because when you put it in on preheat, what it's going to do, the preheat going to bake it up and everything. I'm not even probably get to the 5 minutes. So that's a good thing right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour this sauce on just like this all over. Just like that. Make sure it's all over there. And I'm going to just take my time and just roll them in there. And that sauce just like that. You can do this in the oven, auto power, XL. Mr. Bell be cooking. You can do it either way you want. It's either or. And as you see, the sauce is looking nice and good. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a little cheese and just put over there. Who doesn't love cheese? Put it just like that. And doesn't that look delicious? Put the cheese on like that. It's looking nice and good. So then I'm going to put a little green onions on it, just like that. This right here is going to be a nice, good snack. Just like that. As you see, it's looking good. And I'm just going to put a little bit more cheese on it. Make sure it's nice and good. I'm going to tell you, this extra sharp cheese is very delicious. And it's going to be looking like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to raise it up. I'm going to sit it in just like that. Mr. Bell will bring that camera over closer so you can see. Put the top back down and I'll be right back. Okay, you know Mr. Bell like to give you a little sneak peek. We're going to see how this coming out and everything. Actually, it's looking nice and good and everything. So I want to see how I'm going to grab this out. Just to give you an idea of how it's coming out. See, it's nice and good. So I'm going to put it back in and let it finish doing it. Put the top down. Put that back like that. Okay, we're going to take another sneak peek at it and everything. They look like they're coming out nice and good and everything. These right here are going to be delicious. As you see, that look nice. Coming out nice and good. I'm going to let it sit for a couple more minutes. And see, I'm going to take these out. It's been like not even a good 5 minutes and everything, and it's still on preheat, so you could take them out and everything, because looks like the job is done and everything. I'm going to take them out. I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to move my camera back so you can see everything. Okay, as you see, it came out nice and good and everything. I'm just going to taste a little bit of it. It's hot, but I'm going to try it anyway and see how good it come in. I'm going to just cut me a little piece off it and everything and put it like that. This cheese is just ready to come all with it and everything. Now I'm going to take a little bite. Now that tastes good. That's better than it just sitting it in the microwave, letting it go and everything. It's good to add your own little cheese to it if you want cheese sauce or whatever you want to add with it. You can put it on it and everything. That tastes good. That's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. Leave a comment in the box and thank you for watching. If you don't know how to subscribe, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding, hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you for watching.